Aviation operation in northern areas is marked with diversity. Diverse in operations and diverse in the terrain that we are operating in. Operations like sling operations to include human slings and dumping missions. Rescues from unknown and unprepared helipads in support of the people of Gilgit-Baltistan in case of natural calamities. 5 Squadron was raised in 1971 in support of FWO for the construction of iconic Karakoram Highway and was established under FCNA for its operational role in 1999.
5 Squadron AOR is very unique because of the mountains, the snow-covered areas and high-altitude operations. Pilots who are posted in 5 Squadrons are very competent and very robust, and the demand of the flying exceeds the limits. It requires discipline to fly in 5 Squadron AOR.
5 Squadron is the only high-altitude squadron of Pakistan Army, and there is no other squadron or aviation setup which is at such a height. The ground-air challenges are regarding to weather. As per ground, the weather in winters, it is very harsh. We have to face different weather phenomena while flying in this area.
A pilot coming to the 5 Aviation Squadron requires special training, as the kind of operations that we are doing here and the terrain that we are operating in is unmatchable and nowhere in complete Pakistan, rather it is nowhere in the world.
गिलगित बल्तिस्तान अदरवाइज भी बाकी एरियों से डिफरेंट है इस लिहाज से जितने हाईएस्ट माउंटेन्स और ग्लेशियर्स और प्लेटोज गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में उस तरह बाकी मुल्क में नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे उसी तरह एविएशन के लिए लैंडिंग एरियाज भी उन्हीं एरियो के इर्द गिर्द ही हैं। मेन स्किल जो मैंने यहाँ पे गेन किया दैट इज़ लैंडिंग एंड टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड। मुझे 10 साल हो गए एविएशन में, 5 स्क्वाड्रन में मुझे 1 साल हो गया। तो हाईएस्ट जो लैंडिंग्स मैंने ज़िंदगी की जो की हैं वो लास्ट 1 ईयर में की है।
Over here only pilots operate in extremely high altitude. The pilot does not get this sort of experience anywhere in Pakistan at least. Here I have experienced the technique of flying at very high altitude, technique of flying with very low margins, very low temperatures, challenging weather and extremely challenging landing and taking off environment.
جو ادھر کی فلائنگ ہے بہت ٹف ہے، اس لحاظ سے پریپیئر کرنا پڑتا ہے۔ اگر رات کو مشن میں ملتا ہے تو اسی لحاظ سے ہم نے اس کی ویٹ کیلکولیشن کرنی ہوتی ہے، پلس ڈاؤٹ ختم کرنے کے لیے ہم اپنے سینئر فلائٹ کمانڈر سے کلیئر کر لیتے ہیں کہ ہائٹ وہاں کی کیا ہے، ٹمپریچر کیا ہے، اس حساب سے ہم لوڈ کیلکولیشن کر کے آپس میں ساری کوآرڈینیشن کر لیتے ہیں۔ اس ایریے میں لوڈ کیلکولیشن پہ کوئی کمپرومائز نہیں۔
یہاں پہ سلنگ ہائسٹ مشن جو ہیں وہ زیادہ ہیں، ڈاؤن میں سلنگ ہائسٹ اتنی زیادہ استعمال نہیں ہوتی۔ یہاں پہ جس حساب سے روٹین فلائنگ ہے وہ ڈاؤن کی نسبت یہاں پہ زیادہ ہے۔
We are operating a fleet of Eckerle helicopters and Mi-17s. The Eckerles, they serve us as the high altitude aircrafts, whereas the Mi-17s, they operate for the dumping and the cargo missions that we carry out in this area of responsibility.
Mi-17 کی سب سے بیسٹ کوالٹی یہ ہے کہ یہ روبسٹ ہے اور ایک عرصے سے پاکستان آرمی کے پاس ہے اور اٹ از نون ایز ورک ہارس آف پاکستان آرمی ایویشن۔
Both the aircraft are very well suited as far as they are operated within their limits. They are very well suited for the terrain. But still, since the terrain itself is challenging, so that makes overall flying and maintenance a very challenging business over here.
Five Aviation Squadron plays its major role in the rescue of mountaineers that visit our country every year. We have a large number of mountains which are between 7,000 and 8,000 meters. So there is a huge influx of these mountaineers on these glaciers and these mountains, and they also come with a hope that in case of any mishap, 5 Army Aviation Squadron is here to rescue them and to support them.
Every mission is a different mission. Every mission you have to plan very thoroughly. The way you fly over here, you can't fly anywhere in Pakistan because at every step you have to be cautious. Everything over here is a crucial phase of flying.
Aviation serves as a lifeline and hope, not only for the deployed troops, but for the people of Gilgit-Baltistan as a whole.
Flight 807, maintain an altitude of 15,000 feet.